All right, we got a full house back there. We're heading right now to get that coolant crossover welded up. If you look back here, we got some nice tires. It's a place local to me. It's a tire warehouse. They have used tires, but I'll show y'all. Even the front ones, they still got the knobs on them. Their tires range anywhere from $30 to $50 a tire. Those are 295 55 15s. Pretty meaty Cobra tires, which if I remember right, they was like $235 or $245 a tire online. They might have been for the pair, I don't remember, but regardless, what I was looking at, I got all 4 tires cheaper than just what I was looking at on the rear, so I'm pretty excited about that. But we're gonna go get this welded up, and hopefully tomorrow I can get these tires on. And I'm dirty from the tires. Yeah, so if you look, still got all the little knobbies on it. That one's got the knobbies on it as far as the wear nipples, and the 2 back ones are just solid meat. I love Cobras, great budget tires. All right, so it's welded up. Ideally it would be like a MIG weld, but we just stick welded it some 6011, but it's pressure tested, it is not leaking, and that's all that matters. This will get painted, and it sits on the bottom anyway, so you're never gonna see that under the intake, under the bottom. So as long as it don't leak, I don't really care what it looks like. In case y'all was wondering how bad these tires was that I'm replacing, cord showing, cracked, brittle, to brand new. A full house back there. Them 295s look pretty freaking big for 295s. All right, nice rubber. So now I can get these wheels cleaned up. You can see where somebody's painted them before. It's not that great, so they're amazing condition. There's no curb damage or anything like that, so I'm gonna get them cleaned up. Got the back side of these bad boys soaking down with this super clean wheel cleaner. Love that stuff. A lot of it's already just coming right off. You do take the water hose and you pre-soak everything, and then you spray it. The water acts as a transfer agent, so make sure you wet it first. Don't just spray that on and then go. So showing y'all previously, I did get this welded up. It's not pretty, but it doesn't leak. It doesn't have to be pretty. All he had at the time was a stick welder, and it held 150 psi, so I don't think my coolant system's going to see that much, but I'm going to paint over that and put it on the car. Watching God knows how long of grime that's built up on these wheels just melt away like it has. This stuff right here, I'm telling you, is a godsend. I love this stuff. So for no scrubbing, just soaking them down, spraying them off with a hose. Got 90% of the brake dust and stuff off of it. I'll probably hit them again, and I might actually polish these instead of painting them. I don't know. I think they'll look good on here, especially the meats. There's gonna be some big tires back there. I might actually have to, which is not a big deal on this one, is remove the, what do you call it, quad shock. So I might have to remove that to make room. I don't really care. And see that rusty exhaust? Yeah, got something on the way for that too. So extremely excited. So I just got black primer on this right now, automotive primer. So next I can paint it up, but you can't even hardly tell where it's been repaired now that it's black, especially from back here. And like I said, it'll be under the intake, and it'll be bottom side of that coolant passage, plus bin black mixes in. So there we go. It cleaned up pretty good. I'm extremely happy. It does happen to be storming good now. The cold front that's froze the north, the band's moving through Florida right now, so we're kind of getting hammered a little bit, but just rain, thankfully not snow and all that stuff. Everybody going through that. I hope y'all make it out okay and everything's fine. I can't stand stuff like that. But so this is where I'm gonna have to end the video, because I got things I want to do, and I'm waiting for stuff to come in. So until then, please like, comment, subscribe if you like the Poverty Fox. My goal is to be the most budget fox on YouTube. So thank you for watching.
I won't turn around, I done made it this far. Look back now, that wouldn't be too smart. Shooting for the stars even when it gets hard. Put my faith in the Lord with the 16 bars. I won't turn around, I done made it this far. Look back now, that wouldn't be too smart. Shooting for the stars even when it gets hard. Put my faith in the Lord with the 16 bars. I won't turn around, I won't turn around. No matter how far I go, I'll never